If you need to export Figma to PDF, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to turn your Figma frames into a clean PDF file, step by step, so you can share your designs, print them, or send them to a client without any confusion. This is a simple process, but there's one important detail that makes the final PDF look much better, and that is arranging your frames in the correct visual order before you export. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick design tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Figma file and take a look at all the frames you want to export. Before doing anything else, make sure your frames are arranged in the correct visual sequence. If your design should be read from top to bottom, place the frames that way. If it should flow from left to right, arrange them in that order. This matters because Figma will export the frames in the order they're laid out, so organizing them first will help your PDF feel professional and easy to follow. Once your frames are in the right sequence, go to the top left corner of Figma and click the Figma menu. This is the main menu where you'll find file options and export tools. From there, hover over File and then select Export Frames to PDF. This is the option you want if you're exporting multiple frames into one PDF document. After you click that, Figma will open the export settings. Here, you can choose your color profile and quality settings. If you're exporting for screen viewing, the default options are usually fine. If you're printing the PDF or want the colors to stay accurate across devices, take a moment to confirm the color profile that matches your needs. You can also adjust the quality depending on whether you want a smaller file size or a sharper final result. When everything looks good, confirm the export. Figma will start generating the PDF and the download should begin automatically. Depending on the size of your file and how many frames you selected, it may take a few seconds to finish. Once the PDF is downloaded, open it and quickly check that the pages are in the right order and that the layout looks correct. And that's it. You've successfully exported Figma to PDF in just a few steps. Remember, the key is to organize your frames first, then use File, Export Frames to PDF, and confirm your export settings before downloading. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Figma and design workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.